Okay, this is a video tutorial on how to install layouts from FamilyGuideDesigns.com. It's a layout blog site that has advanced layouts. They're not your basic um, horribly designed layouts that you might find around the web. Um, our layouts are a little bit more advanced. They take a little bit more work to install, but they're really simple. And once you figure out how to do it, you'll have some of the best layouts possible. Alright, so first of all, we need to decide which layout we're going to use. We currently only have one layout. We're expanding many more layouts to come in the future, but this is our first, and it's very simple to install. All you got to do is follow the instructions. First of all, this section here is copied and pasted into the About Me section of your MySpace profile. So let's copy this, Control C, and then we'll edit profile here, go to your account, go ahead and just paste it in this area, Control V, or just paste. And in the next section, we copy this area into the I'd like to meet section. Go ahead and copy that, paste it there, and last, third and final step, all you do is copy this section, and this section is a little more tricky, so we'll open Notepad and we'll go ahead and paste it in here so we can edit it a little bit easier. And it's just pretty much straightforward, where it says your name, between the div tag, the div class, your name, and this div, you enter your name. And for your photos, go back to your profile, and we're going to take this image here, which is your default photo. So you can view image or view properties. I'm using Firefox. If you're using Internet Explorer, it's like view image, and properties is pretty much the same. Go ahead and copy this. Go back to Notepad, and then paste that URL you just copied right here. It's the image source, and that is the location of your image. And if we go back here, now we need to find a link that'll allow people to view your images. So under Pics, just right click and then copy link location, or if you're in Internet Explorer, it's copy shortcut. Then we paste that in the Ahref, which links your image. And then we need to edit the About Me section. To make this a little bit easier to understand, you can go ahead and just separate this out. Okay, and now we can just edit this. If you understand HTML, you probably don't need to watch this video. If you are more advanced, you can use HTML markup here, and you can use paragraph tags to separate your content. So it just displays easier. And the last step is we need to find our user ID. And wherever it says your ID, you replace that with your profile ID. And to get that, it's just here. And you can just copy that. And if you don't see it here, which you should, you just view your profile, and it'll be the last number in your address bar. So we'll just take this and copy it. And then we'll replace all the where it says your IDs here. And this is just the last step, so it took just a matter of minutes to really install this. Modifying it doesn't take much more work at all. Okay, and now when you get all those set up, just copy this, And we'll go back, edit profile, and we paste it back here. Paste, then save all changes, and feed your profile. And there you go. You got your new profile installed. No problem. Go back here. And that's how you install layouts on FamilyGuideDesigns.com. We're also going to have many more layouts in the future, and we'll also have other sites based around other topics for layouts. This will just be our first. Just make sure to come back and check for updates, FamilyGuideDesigns.com. And if you want to add us to your MySpace profile, it's just myspace.com/FamilyGuideDesigns. Go ahead and add us, and you can get the latest updates on newest layouts.